What's up, YouTubers? Just giving you a little update. I'm headed take the Regal to the shop. As you can see, they had major oil leak. It's all over the place. So with the new alternator setup that I got through Assessed Amperage, running the 4300s. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take this V6 out, which is a 3.8. I'm going to put a Chevy 305 in it. Got the motor back. So I'm going to take it to a local shop here, and let me go ahead and pop this puppy in. And then also I bought the serpentine belt setup for it. So I'm going to run the one belt system. So just a little update on what I'm doing. As soon as I get the motor in, I'll give you a video of that and show you the new alternator setup. See ya.